Welcome to this video. Many of you have asked me for my opinion on Komodo Decks. Today, I'm going to introduce you to this tool that simplifies the creation of professional video content. The link is in the description with an exclusive discount. Komodo Decks is more than just a simple screen recorder. It's a complete tool that allows you to record your screen in high definition, capture your webcam and your audio, all with no time limits. But what makes it truly unique are its artificial intelligence features. The AI automatically generates transcripts, meeting summaries, chapters, and even action points, making it perfect for quickly organizing your content. Right now, Komodo Decks is offering a free trial. To unlock all the features, the Pro plan costs $12 per month for an annual subscription. And only today, I have an exclusive promo code, AVIS20, which gives you 20% off. The link in the promo code are in the description, so take advantage of it. In addition to recording, Komodo Decks allows you to instantly share your videos via a link, with no installation required. And if the tool doesn't suit you, you can request a refund. It's guaranteed. I've been using it for over a year now, and honestly, I recommend it. For me, it outperforms tools like Loom or Scribe in terms of features and simplicity. All the information is in the description. See you soon. Goodbye.